know about this poor girl. She's from the wrong side of the tracks. To better understand her, try to see the world the way she sees it.